I think that try and error, certain Labsters like give you that opportunity of putting different concentrations in, trying this different, trying that different. And in the lab, it would be a lot of extra work to do that, where now you can actually see, this is why I'm doing it. This is, if I try this, it doesn't work. Okay, try another way. It's not going to create a mess. It's that like, it's a safe space nearly. Like it creates a safe space for errors, which is good. Because like you learn by making those mistakes and you're much more willing to make them in like safe space of a computer rather than it standing in that lab where you're timed, you only have so much time. If someone's looking over your shoulder, like not in a bad way, but it's just the way it is. Obviously you're being supervised with the labs. The mistakes don't really matter. You just learn from them. And especially if you do it before, you probably won't make the same mistakes standing in the lab because you're like, yeah, that didn't work. So I think that is